Asus Zenbook S14 2025. Unity Systems Solutions. Asus Zenbook S14. New Zen with superior AI. Experience the world-changing power of RE with Zenbook S14, a new era Asus Copilot+pc that combines an exceptional 1.1 cm Slim 1 design with cutting-edge technology. Its all-metal body with a unique Ceraluminum high-tech ceramic lid and nature-inspired colors houses next-level RE capabilities, driven by up to the latest Intel Core Ultra 7 processor, Series 2, with ambient cooling minimize noise. Immerse yourself in a visual feast with the stunning 3K Asus Lumina OLED display, complemented by rich and powerful sound from the 4-speaker audio system. Zenbook S14 brings you elegance, power, and innovation in a slim and sophisticated package. Processor: Intel Core Ultra 7 processor, 258V 2.2 GHz, 12 MB cache, up to 4.8 GHz, 8 cores, 8 threads, Intel AI Boost NPU up to 47 TOPS. Power supply Type-C, 65-watt AC adapter. Asus sleeve. Memory, 32 GB LPDDR5X. Storage, 1 TB M.2 NVMe. Graphics: Intel Arc. Neural processor, Intel AI Boost NPU up to 47 TOPS. Display: 3K 2880 by 1800 OLED 16:10 aspect ratio, 100% DCI-OP3 color gamut, 14.0 inch, 400 nits, glossy display, touch screen, 0.2 milliseconds response time. FHD camera with IR function to support Windows Hello. Zenbook S14 includes all the essential full-function ports you need for fast and seamless on-the-go connections, so you don't need to carry annoying dongles and adapters. The laptop's 2 USB-C ports, Thunderbolt, 1 regular USB-A connection and an HDMI output should be sufficient for everyday use. Although the Zenbook S14's keyboard features a comparatively low key travel of 1.1 mm, it feels extremely stable and the individual keys sit super tightly, creating a truly high-end feel. It's comfortable to type on this keyboard and its keys are nice and quiet. The enlarged touchpad matches the display's aspect ratio for intuitive control. The extra area increases comfort and makes gestures easier. Performance: more than a great PC, it's an AI PC. Zenbook S14 is powered by up to an Intel Core Ultra 7 processor, Series 2, with 47 TOPS NPU for superior AI performance. Enabling the most experiences for like productivity assistance, text and image creation, and faster photo or video editing, 5 and built-in security protections. Combined with a high-capacity 72Wh battery in the thinnest laptop design, Zenbook S14 ensures all-day autonomy, even longer unplugged. Battery from dawn to dusk: free yourself from power outlets and stay productive anywhere with Zenbook S14's all-day battery life. When it's time to recharge, USB-C Easy Charge is fast and convenient, so you're always ready to go. Enjoy uninterrupted productivity with unrivaled stamina. Asus Zenbook S14 is equipped with the latest Wi-Fi 7 for the very best wireless connections, up to 4.8x faster than the previous Wi-Fi generation. Audio: built-in array microphone, built-in speaker, smart amp technology, Harman Kardon Premium. Pros: transcendent battery life. A purposeful use of space. Lovely, surprisingly large OLED screen. Great audio.